since we bought our OBS Ford, we needed a new engine in it. It has a 460 gas in it, pig on fuel, 209 horsepower. It's gone. So we thought, you know what? V&R are one of our sponsors, great to us. They had 3 of these 7.3 Powerstrokes in the yard. They said, take whichever one you want. So Stefan and I went and grabbed one, pulled the cab off.
Did some work. The rockers aren't too bad. You can probably reuse this. You want me to pull the engine out now?
Took a look at it and realized that one was not in very good shape.
It's garbage.
It was right full of oil, so I think the turbo shot.
And the real problem is it's just too dirty. Like, who wants to work on that? The little wiggle test. So there's a bit of play in there. She's a little sloppy. Good to go. Oh, that's what he was talking about.
Yeah. It's just one big thing of salt sitting on the axle.
I'll take the injectors out with this.
So they had another truck, and we thought we'd go take a look. All right, there she is. This would be an 02 7.3. The reason we're going with the 7.3 is because it's the best diesel engine that Ford had in their trucks, other than the 6.7.
And it'd be relatively bolt-in, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Still have to get an Allison for it, a standalone controller.
Yeah, just to put a Ford engine in a Ford.
Right. Until V&R said, hey, we got a school bus. Why don't you put a school bus in? And he brings up a good point. Why don't we put a 3126 cat in there? She's a bit crusty. I gotta look at having to replace all these lines. Ow. I can feel the salt in my fingers. That's terrible. It's got the Hydro Boost and everything already set up for it. I think a cat engine is pretty cool. Never considered it before because we didn't have one laying around. That's not to say that we won't do something with a 7.3, but for now, the F-350 is gonna be Caterpillar powered.
I don't mind this job because at least I got a nice seat and stuff and just chill out. I'm confident to just cut that one.
Leave it running when you cut it.
You don't want to disconnect the batteries?
No.
If you're in Canada and you want to take your window out when you're going to school, you just need a Roberts screwdriver. 4 screws, boom.
This is all that's holding the bus to the frame. Like these little tinny thingies. They just go into the sea, and that's it.
This is a part of the bus now.
No, you're $30 blade.
I'm thinking I might be able to save the back half of the bus because it's pretty handy. I could use it for storage at the house or something. But I could even make like a little like tiny home or something.
That'd be pretty sweet.
Yeah, like it's got all these like little cute windows in it. You know, put a little kitchen or something.
You gotta be quick with these guys at V&R though. Don't take them long to
get into things.
You
know, I might buff out. Get on the bus if you want to learn something. You want me to start it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, you can rock it. at DEBOSS Garage. Saving the environment one tire at a time. Smoking. Come on inside and I'll show you a tour of my new tiny home. Welcome to my tiny home. It's an open concept with lots of natural light and good insulation. It's everything you want in a tiny home. Well, oh, I guess it's stronger than we thought. Yeah, I cut all those things off. It should come right off.
I put the window down just so I wouldn't do that, but...
You open the hood?
Yeah, I can open the hood. Be careful. I harp on the Ford guys a lot, but you know what? The cabs do come off really easy. All right, back at one of our favorite spots on Earth. This is why I get shit all over my face. Yeah. Anyway, you know what the first thing you do when you own a Ford?
Bring it to the dump.
Pull the cab out.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Let's do that again.